In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello Workspaces. Trello is a powerful tool for organizing tasks, projects, and collaboration. Whether you're managing a personal to-do list or coordinating a team effort, Workspaces in Trello help you structure and streamline your workflow. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to create and customize a Trello workspace, invite collaborators, and set up boards to suit your needs. By the end, you'll have all the tools you need to make Trello Workspaces work for you. Let's get started. First, open your internet browser and log into Trello. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll see a section labeled Workspaces. This is where all the magic starts. To create a new workspace, simply click on the button that says Create Workspace. Now, it's time to give your workspace a name. Think of something clear, memorable, and relevant to the purpose of the workspace. For example, if this workspace is for your marketing team, you could name it Marketing Hub. Once that's done, you'll need to decide on the visibility settings for your workspace. Trello offers three main options. If you want the workspace to be invite-only, select Private. This means only people you personally invite will have access. If you're working within an organization and want others in your team to collaborate, choose Team Visible. This setting allows anyone within your organization to view and join. For broader collaboration, you can select Public, which makes your workspace discoverable to anyone on Trello. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Next, add a short description to your workspace. This is a great way to define its purpose and help collaborators understand what this workspace is all about. For example, you might write something like this: Workspace is dedicated to organizing our quarterly marketing campaigns. Keep it simple and clear. Now it's time to bring others into your workspace. To do this, click on the Members section and select Invite Members. You can either type in the email addresses of the people you'd like to invite or generate a shareable invite link. Once they accept the invitation, they'll become part of your workspace and can start collaborating. With your workspace set up, it's time to create boards within it. Boards are where you'll organize specific projects, tasks, or topics. To create a board, click on Create Board. Choose a name that reflects what the board is for, perhaps something like Campaign Launch Plan or Product Roadmap. You can also pick a background to visually differentiate the board and make it more engaging. Finally, make sure the board's visibility aligns with your workspace settings. For example, if the workspace is private, you'll likely want the board to be private as well. As your needs grow, you might find it helpful to create multiple workspaces to keep things organized. For example, you could create one workspace for your marketing team to manage campaign boards, content calendars, and objectives and key results, often called OKRs. Meanwhile, a separate workspace for your product team could include boards for roadmaps, bug tracking, and feature planning. This division helps maintain focus and clarity within your workspaces. To ensure everything runs smoothly, you can assign roles within your workspace. Admins have full control over the workspace and its boards. They can manage settings, add or remove members, and oversee the organization. Normal members can create and edit boards, making them ideal for active collaborators, observers. On the other hand, have view-only access, which is perfect for stakeholders who need to monitor progress without making changes. Trello also offers workspace-wide views to help you manage multiple boards more effectively. The table view allows you to sort and filter cards across all boards in the workspace, giving you a bird's-eye view of your tasks. The calendar view is great for tracking due dates, as it displays all your cards on a timeline. And if you're using Trello's premium features, you can access the dashboard view. This provides visual insights into progress, activity, and key statistics across your workspace. And that's it! Now you know how to set up and use Trello Workspaces, create boards, invite collaborators, and make the most of Trello's organizational tools. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.